Neil loves to be involved in everything that I do, and that starts from the morning when I make my morning coffee. He loves to watch me boil the kettle, and as I stir my coffee, he beeps. He pretends he's drinking the coffee himself. And if you listen to him carefully, you can even hear him make a gulping noise. And whenever he's up to something, he makes the weirdest little sound. My dad always said no to having a dog because they're a lot of hard work. So he thought to himself, why don't we get a cockatiel instead? Because they're, as a lot of people believe, are a lot easier to look after. Which obviously isn't the case, which we soon found out. So when we were in the store, there were loads and loads of cockatiels. However, Neil was the one hidden away in the corner. He was super timid. And there was something special about him. So there was no way we were walking out of that store without him. He was very, very quiet when we first got him. So we're thinking, oh my goodness, we got a mute bird. He didn't make a peep at all. He just sat and watched everything the first few days. However, after a few days, he started to liven up. He would chirp and sing a little bit. And we thought, okay, maybe now he's ready to explore the room. The first thing he did was fly around. And then he landed straight on my shoulder. He was supposed to be my younger sister's bird, but I guess he chose me instead. Still, it took a few weeks for Neil to get used to me. I've always had a love for birds. So I took it upon myself to start training him and teaching him songs. The first thing I did was spend a lot of time with him. I really wanted to tame him and get him used to being around me and people. So we spent a lot of time teaching him how to step up. But yeah, he was very, very much hands-on from the beginning. That made him pretty easy to train. And it was only a few weeks before he started to show his true bubbly personality. The best way to describe him is he is like a toddler. He is very much fun. He's very curious. But he's very mischievous. You have to have your eyes on him at all times. He's got free reign of the house, which gives him plenty of opportunities to cause chaos. His favourite thing to do is to knock all of the decorations off. He's destroyed a lot of my jewellery. Neil also loves to rip the wallpaper off.
Neil?
He loves hiding. Sometimes I find him behind the fruit bowl, or behind my guitar, or even under a soft blanket. But his favourite spot is behind my guitar. He does this seagull noise every single time he's there. So Neil always likes to be centre of attention. But he likes to keep us on our toes at all times. He has this signature noise that he makes when he's up to no good. He does this beep noise, which is quite unique. So whenever he's being naughty or hiding, we always hear him beep. We sometimes really do think, oh gosh, what did we get ourselves into getting this bird? But you can't say no to his little face.
It's so cute, birdie.
You can get away with anything with such an adorable face. He is my little sidekick. That includes even drinking a cup of coffee in the morning. If I go to brush my teeth, he likes to be in there. When I get the laptop out, all of a sudden it's his, so I can no longer use it. He can somehow navigate through Instagram. So he's out most of the day, hanging around with us. In a room full of people, he'd always choose to sit on my shoulder or my head. He loves to be around people more than playing with his toys. He'd much prefer to sit on our shoulder and watch what we're doing. And if a new person comes to the house, he's very curious and loves to come over and say hello. He loves everyone. Except my boyfriend, actually. My boyfriend is the only one he has a love-hate relationship with. So he loves to play around with him. However, he will not let my boyfriend give him any scritches. Sometimes he won't let my boyfriend go near me. So I think there's definitely some jealousy there. But to everyone else, he's a good boy. And because he loves to be around people, we've taken him on a number of walks. We went to the pond and we visited swans and ducks. We've also taken him to the local shop and our local pub. And he got lots and lots of attention. And he really enjoyed that. What makes it so exciting having him at home, there's always some form of entertainment. I love everything about his personality. I love how stubborn he is. So every single day he's growing, he's learning something new. And Neil is my best friend. I've never had such a strong connection with an animal before.